What's up guys, it's Declan here. Now today we're going to be looking at the Fire Sprint. Now this is a full auto or semi-auto pistol. This is a hopper feed, it is a gel blaster itself, it isn't a real gun, and it isn't an airsoft gun. Now the range we're looking at is from where I'm crouched is about 15 meters to that metal tin wall. Now this gel blaster itself, as a full auto 7.4 volt battery, hits consistently every single time. I like the ability that I can full auto a clip of like 20 to 30 rounds that's in that hopper straight into my enemy. Of course I wouldn't do that in a real game because that's just kind of rude to do so. You just need to hit them once, they call their hit, they move on. I am using the laser light that's turned on it, the laser directional light turned on. I have it turned on. It's not really useful in the daytime, you can't really see it, but it's just kind of fun. As you can see, the hopper itself runs out quite fast actually. It sprays a full round in probably 3 to 4 seconds, a full hopper round, and then you have to reload it. I do think if you are going to use this in competitively, which it should be your first blaster you look at as a sidearm blaster for competitive, you could even use it as an actual just main blaster if you haven't purchased a rifle or if you haven't purchased a rifle or an AR or something. This is definitely a good first blaster. It's relatively cheap at $50, so it's not like you're gonna break the bank the first time you buy a blaster. Some blasters, $200, $300. They are really good for competitive though. They are pretty much, you don't have to do anything to them to actually, be competitive. This is your best blaster to go to for a sidearm for straight competitive play. It's full auto, semi-shot. You just pull the trigger once. You don't have to hold. If you hold it down, it will go full auto. Pull the trigger once, fire 2 rounds down. 2 shots, bang bang, hit your target, move on. I like the ability of it, that the fact is it is full auto, and it's a great, reliable, consistent weapon that I use, or consistent toy, that I use in my rush class. My rush class is designed to be in your face, running through. I might die 10 games in that, 10 times in that game, but generally I will get more kills than deaths, especially with that as my sidearm. That and my AK-74U are a perfect combo for a rush class because they're fast fire rates, they go in there and get the job done. This is a perfect blaster that I recommend that anyone that likes collecting blasters would get, as it is highly fun to use, highly accurate, and it can hit above 15 meters. I'm only sitting at 15 meters. I could move back and it could still hit, even though I'm actually sitting on the floor. I'm crouched right now. So it's a perfect blaster to shoot upwards at or to shoot level at, and I believe you can shoot at a higher range of than 15 meters with this blaster consistently. Yes, it will different if there'll be differences if what like gel balls you use. I'm using the clear 7mm rounds or 7 to 8mm rounds that it came with. If you use black 7 to 8mm rounds, it might be a little bit different. If you use blue 8mm rounds, it might be a little bit different, but I prefer using it over my red Glock than my Fire Sprint. My Fire Sprint is definitely better than the red Glock I have because it's more consistent, it's faster, and I just love it. It's just such a good blaster to use. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.